Yo, Joseph, have you seen Ron?
No, I haven't.
Where the hell is he at?
I think he's outside.
Oh, yeah, I see him. Let's go see what he's doing. Are you on your break?
Dude, no way. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is an X. X marks the spot. That's
What?
20,000.
You won something?
$20,000.
20,000? No, you didn't.
$20,000. That's new room
There's no
for my
way.
Versa.
Show me.
Versa. X
Show
marks
me.
the spot. I quit. I quit.
Second battery this week. I think we don't drive the GTR enough. Let me see if it's gonna start up. Battery's good for now. I think we got to start driving this car more often so we don't keep draining the battery.
Hey. Hey, twerk it.
It's going to record all day long. Really helpful. But much more room there, you know. Much more than GTR. Man, it's heavy. Imagine.
Just get it straight.
Imagine all day today, this is all we've been doing, packing orders. It's like, how many more orders could there be in a day? Really? How many people need this stuff? Like, could there really be this many people that need a pure cover in the United States? It's like, it could be like a refugee fund for people. Low right now.
This car's almost full. We got 6 more bags.
Man, it feels nice out here today. Hello? We're just at the headquarters. All right, I'll let you know.
Who's
You
that?
want to go to Bowden?
Bowden?
Yeah, it was Bowden. Josh.
Yeah, let's go to Bowden. Bowden.
Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Bottle of small chili salsa, 3 carnitas.
Rice, egg, carne asada, cheese. I think sausage. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's good though.
What if I'm far from home?
On the way to Bowden.
Did you feel that little kick in the ass? The carbon GTR is here. Perfect.
Right there.
Hey, so how about that bike that almost hit the GTR, huh?
Saw that video?
I see all your videos, man. I see
you
all your damn videos.
Are you our best subscriber?
I probably watch them like more than once.
Are you the #1 subscriber?
No. All right. I mean, you already passed the.
This right here is the very, very popular Lamborghini Huracan with the half Bape wrap in black.
See the air suspension right there?
Looks like they're installing air suspension here for it. It's a pretty sweet ride.
Yeah.
Did
The
you
wrap,
see-
the wrap's crazy.
Did you see the full carbon GTR outside with over like 1,500 plus horses or some shit? Like,
I saw it on the drive in. I didn't look at it
I'll
though.
show you. It's right outside. Yep, that one right there.
full track ready.
This whole car is carbon fiber, completely carbon fiber, all from Japan. I heard they import each piece month by month.
Honestly, it just came in. Literally, the guy has like 2 other cars. He has that twin turbo Lambo as well. He just wants to do something simple in the rear. I was assuming he wanted to do a little bit more extensive trunk setup.
Oh yeah, that's the heart of the beast right there. Yeah, if you die and go to heaven and you can have any GTR in the world, this is it.
I don't know driving this car. This car's fucking bananas. This is not a wrap either.
Perfect. Damn, this thing is beautiful. There's not one stock part on this car. Later, man.
Take it easy. See you later, everybody.